Shalom, shalom to the melanated family. This is the elder coming to you with another informative video. All praises to our creators and our ancestors. But family, this video is going to be about Tyson Chicken Company, a meat company. They laying off American citizens and hiring immigrants. That's right. Going on right now all over America, not only Tyson Chicken Company, they got a lot of other companies that laying off people and hiring these immigrants for cheaper prices. That's why this government has got to go. How can you do something like that? How can you let people just come in here and bulldoze, do all kind of things, break all kind of laws, taking jobs and resources from the American people? And a lot of these companies, like these chicken companies, like these people that's growing stuff, the apple people, the picking apples and grapes and got them out there working them for nothing. Matter of fact, that they must be the new ninjas. That's right. America does not care nothing about their own people, nothing at all. And it's going to lead to something that we don't want to see. That's right. Bringing in all these immigrants, except the Haitians, they don't want to bring them in. Bring everybody else in. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about these American companies that are firing people. I think Tyson Chicken Company, meat company, then laid off 1,800 people and hired 1,800 more. So what y'all think about it in the comment section? Y'all let me know, family. It's showing you to your face that they don't love you and they don't care about us at all. That's right, family. We're gonna have to come together. A lot of these jobs, they say that American people are lazy and they don't want to work and this, that, and the other. But look what the minimum wage is. And look at the food prices, what they is right now. Goddamn, some cat food costs $20. People are struggling, Americans are struggling to make it right now because inflation is so high.
Stop going to the gym.
That's right, family. So that's the deal right now. That's what we are dealing with, these legal immigrants coming in here, getting jobs, getting this, that, and the other. While they got a lot of American people that are homeless. A lot of American people can't pay rent. A lot of American people can't pay their mortgage. But yet they're bringing in a whole bunch of illegal immigrants. Don't know who they is, don't know what kind of disease they might be bringing in, don't know what kind of national security they might be, or who they're working with. Well, y'all let me know in the comment section, family. Peace and love. Put up the likes and shares. Stay tuned for the next video live stream, and I'm out.